Alright, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Grace Tutor, and what I do here, solve technical drawing problems, and I also provide very important information that you can make use of for you to have a better performance in your technical drawing examinations. Your technical drawing student, I'm asking you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, put on notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified, and also help me to share my videos with your friends who are technical drawing students. And don't forget to practice. It is good you practice so that you can master it and you can be able to solve any problems that comes your way when it comes to technical drawing. Now, this diagram that I have been on the screen is a question that I want to solve now, is a problem that I want to solve right now, and we have to make use of principles tangency in getting this work done. Let me explain the dimensions that we have here. For this arc that connect these two circles together, the radius is 105 millimeters, as you can see. For this arc, the radius is 70 millimeters. The diameter of this big circle is 50 millimeters. The diameter of this circle is 32 millimeters. Center distance from here to here is 60 millimeters. The radius of this arc is 16 millimeters, and then distance from here to here is 32. From here to here is 40, and then the radius of this circle, the diameter of this circle, this outer circle, is 25 millimeters. And then for this small circle, as we have it, there are two buses drill, diameter 15. So that means the diameter of this circle is 15, and of this circle is also 15, while this one is 25 millimeters. We are going to make use of all these dimensions to replicate this object that you have been on the screen. Let's start. So the first thing to do is for you to draw a vertical center line. So draw a vertical center line. So I'm doing it here like this, and then so we move up like this, and we draw a horizontal center line like this. Okay, now having done this, the next thing that we are going to do is that we take a measurement of 32 millimeters to the left side from this point here. 32 millimeters, this is 32. Then we take 40 millimeters to the right side here. So this is 40 millimeters. And then, so here we are going to draw a vertical center line through this, and here also we also draw a vertical center line through this point here. Okay, then after that I will take a measurement of 60 millimeters from here up. 60 millimeters from this point, so we take it up like this, 60 millimeters. So and we draw a horizontal center line here through this point. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is that I want to draw these two circles here. So the diameter of this small one is 32, the radius is 16, while this one diameter is 50, the radius is 25. So I will take 16 millimeters on my compass, on my ruler with my compass. So put it at the center here, and I will draw a circle. Just take it easy. Alright, so this is the circle. Then I will take 25 millimeters as the radius of the outer one. So that's the big circle. I'll put it here and draw a circle like this. All right, so then I want to draw these circles now. So the radius of this small circle will be 7.5 millimeters, as diameter is 15. So I will take 7.5 millimeters. 7.5. You have to be very careful with that because the radius is small. So take 7.5 millimeters. Okay, so I put at the center here. So I will draw the circle. So with ease. Okay. All right, so I got that done. So this also with that same 7.5. All right, so then the outer one, the diameter is 25, the radius is 12.5. So I'll take 12.5 here. So 12.5 millimeters. Okay, so put it at this center here. And we draw a circle. So here I'll put it here and draw a circle. All right, so then the next thing that we are going to do is to draw this arc here. We want to draw this arc. So the radius of this arc is 70 millimeters. So we have to perform a simple calculation. So the calculation we are going to do is that we are going to add the radius of this circle and this 70 together, and then the radius of this circle and this 70 together. So I'm going to write the calculation here. So here we have what we have. RA is for the big circle. So RA for the big circle, that is, so the radius of this is 25. So we have 25 plus 70, and that will give us 95 millimeters. And RB, so RB, so we have 12.5 plus 70, and that will give us 82.5 millimeters. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is that I will take a measurement of 95 millimeters, 95 millimeters here. So this is 95 millimeters. So I put at the center here. Now we draw an arc like this. Okay, then the next is I will take 82.5 millimeters. 82.5 millimeters. So you have to take it easy. So 82.5 millimeters. So you put it at the center here and you draw an arc like this. All right, so we have located the center of this arc. Let me call this center Y. Okay, then I will now take 70 millimeters, the radius of the arc. 70 millimeters. Okay, so I put at the center here, at the center of this arcs. So it touch this point here. Then I will draw the arc like this. Okay, so that's it. That's it. So the next is that I want to draw this arc that connects this circle and this straight line together. So to do that, so the first thing I'm going to do is that I will draw a straight line from here, a vertical line from this point, draw it down with my red pen, and then I will come up anywhere on this line, draw a horizontal line like this. On this horizontal line, I will take a measurement of 16 millimeters. Don't forget that the radius of this arc is 16 millimeters. So I will take a measurement of 16 millimeters here. Okay, so 16 millimeters. This is 16 millimeters. So I will draw a vertical line. A vertical line through this, like this. Okay, then I'm going to also perform a simple calculation here. So the radius of this circle is 12.5. So here we have 12.5. Let me call it RC. So it's equal to 12.5. So plus the radius of the arc. So that is 16. And this will give us 28 28.5 millimeters. So I will take a measurement of 28.5 millimeters, 28.5 millimeters, okay, on my ruler with my compass. So this is 28.5 millimeters. I put at the center here, and I will make an arc on this vertical line. So this is point X. So this is point X here. So I'll now take 16 millimeters. I'll take 16 millimeters. So this is 16 millimeters. Then I'll put at the center here, like this. So it touches this circle. So then I will draw an arc that touches this straight line, like this. Okay, so that's it. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I will draw this vertical line with a thick line, so to blend them together. So this is it. All right, so now, so the next thing I'm going to do is that I want to draw this arc here, this arc that connect these two circles together. I want to draw this arc. So, and I also need to perform a simple calculation here, because the radius of this arc is 105 millimeters. So 105 plus 12.5. So 105, let me do it here. So let me call it RD. So RD. So RD is equal to 105. So plus 12.5. So this will give us, we have this is what this is. Sorry, it's subtraction. We are subtracting, not addition. So we need to subtract, because this type of arc is an internal arc, in the sense that these circles are sitting on its internal curved part. They are sitting inside this curved part. So it's an internal arc. Like this one, this is an external arc. That's why we added. And this is also an external arc, because the circles are standing on the outer part of the arc. The same thing applies. This circle and this circle, they are standing on the outer part on the arc. That's why we did addition. But in the case of this one, we have to do subtraction. So if I subtract this here, so this gives me 92.5. So this is 92.5 millimeters. So I will now take a measurement of 92.5 on my ruler. So 92.5. So just take it easy. Okay. So this is 92.5. So you put at the center here. So you draw an arc here like this. So very careful. Okay. So this is the arc. So I've drawn it here. Then you also put at the center here. Put at the center. So you draw an arc. So they intersect here. They intersect here. So let me call it center Z. So, all right. So the next thing that we are going to do is that, so we now take 105 millimeters on our ruler with our compass. So after we have located the center of the arcs, so take 105. Okay. Then you put at this center Z here. Okay. So then look at it. It touches this point. So just to draw this. And this. Okay. All right. All right, so this is the diagram. So as simple as I've shown it here, all you need to do is to practice. And as I've explained, the calculations, very, very important for you to be able to draw the arcs. So once you are able to do that, be able to replicate the object as given to us a diagram. So thank you for listening to me, and thank you for watching. Keep on practicing. God bless you.